Just for a change, we're in Keswick today. We have moved location, and as you can see, looking around, it's a very low cloud day. So we are not going up anything particularly high, but we're going to aim for the very well-known Cat Bells. You can just see the tip of it in the cloud there. Hopefully it won't be by the time we get there, but we will see. Look how big the lamb's got. They're still cute.
Yes.
Apparently we are entering Portinscale village. We've got ice cream. Because why wouldn't you on a lovely day like this? Any old excuse. Look at how much green there is. It's glorious. And we're going up. Look, alpacas. I want to take an alpaca for a walk. Yes. So that's our little lump there with people on top. This is a very popular walk. We've passed about 30 people already. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can see about 12 people making their way up.
Which ones are going to catch up, do you think?
I'm going to reel them all in, except for the ones who are already on the top. Monsieur Huit. Really? 1 mile, 1 hour? Blimey, you would have to walk slow for that. Yeah.
3 minutes past 1.
All right, let's see what time it is when we get to the top. Now we can see Derwent Water. It's a very steep up. Which path shall I take? I'm going straight out the middle, I think. Yeah. Then I can bypass people.
We can call it there.
Not quite done yet. It's a shame it's in the clouds.
Yeah.
But that is the last lump, isn't it?
Oh.
Cool. Alrighty. This is Cat Bells Conundrum Scramble number 2. Time, please.
1:41.
How many minutes, please?
38.
38.
Alright.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Oh, I like it when it points where things are. Just going to stand on the top. Yeah. I'm not going to be pointing any mountains out today, Clark.
Skidoo.
I see nothing.
Exactly.
We're making our descent. And as always, we do like to explore. Going to go up to that cave up there and have a little peek inside. And there's something fenced off here. Could very well be one of those vertical shafts. Oh, Clark's taking a shortcut. Ooh. Hello. Oh, I have to duck. Wow, you can really hear water coming through the walls here, Clark. Another excellent cave. Favourite part of the walk, the explore. We were just up there.